Welcome to Spellty Connect. Here you can see all the conversations from your configured channels. For example, in this case, I have a WhatsApp channel. This is the channel where my customers reach out. And as you can see, I can manage all conversations right here in one place. Super convenient. All right, now let's move on with the Zoho CRM integration. On the side panel, you'll notice that Zoho CRM is already activated. And remember, the activation of the integration is always done from Spellty's admin panel. So let's continue. Each agent can log in with any Zoho CRM account. It's really simple. Just click. Select your Zoho CRM account. Accept. That's it. Now we're going to choose the working layout for each Zoho module. In my case, I only have the standard one. Perfect. With that, we're all set to get started. All right, now Spellty will try to find records in the CRM related to each conversation, using the phone number as the search key. So as we browse through our open chats, we'll notice two possible scenarios. In some cases, a form appears to add the contact as a lead or contact, since no record was found. But in other cases, we'll immediately see the details of the matching record. Now, let's go back to a chat that isn't registered in the CRM, like this one. In this case, Spellty gives us the option to add it either as a lead or as a contact. And on top of that, it also displays the custom fields coming directly from the CRM. And here's something really interesting. These forms are fully customizable. In other words, we can decide which fields we want to display for each module. To do this, we just go to the Settings menu. Select the module we want to configure, and toggle the fields on or off. Of course, this only applies to non-required fields. In this example, I'll go ahead and select a few of these fields, scroll down, hit Save, and done. Now on the form, only the fields we selected are displayed. This is super handy because it helps us speed up the process and make saving information much faster. Now, with a much cleaner form and only the necessary fields, we can save this lead. We just fill in a few details. And that's it. Let's do it. After saving the record, Spellty gives us several useful options. For example, we can convert this lead into a contact, or even edit the information if needed. And on top of that, we can always view more details of the record directly in the CRM. Now, let's take a look at the search bar in Spellty. From here, we can type in keywords to find records from the CRM. For example, I'll type in this name, and right away, Spellty lists the results. From here, we can open the details of this lead. And what's really important is that we can also start a conversation directly from this point. So, how do we do it? It's super simple. Just click here, and Spellty opens an interface to start the conversation. First, we select the channel. In my case, I'll choose this one. Then, we check that the recipient's number is correct. Next, we select the agent who will handle the conversation. After that, we pick a template to start with. Remember, these templates must be created beforehand in Spellty's admin panel. We can even preview the template before sending it. And finally, we just hit Send. And that's it. That's how easy it is to start a conversation with our customer. In addition to what we've already seen, Spellty's integration with Zoho CRM gives you even more useful options right inside the platform. For example, you can add notes to a record, attach files, and even create or view tasks, events, and calls. And of course, you can also create and manage deals. The best part? These are features Zoho users already know. But now, you can do all of this seamlessly, without breaking the flow, and without ever leaving your conversation with the customer. All right, we've reached the end of this walkthrough of Spellty Connect and its integration with Zoho CRM. I hope you found it helpful and that you're just as excited as we are about everything you can accomplish with the platform. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next chapter.